We have Algorand, symbol ALGO versus the dollar. Looks like we are playing out the consolidation that we spoke about yesterday, which is more or less good, more or less healthy on this one. And I would be looking for this one. Actually, this one held the lows really, really well yesterday. So something like this is looking the most likely. You might even call this an ascending triangle, which is a reaccumulation formation. Just means that it has a higher probability break to the upside than the downside. 4-hour RSI looks corrective, looks good. Now, I would say if it does break below about 208 or so, I would be looking for the same sort of downside move down to about 190 that I had kind of plotted out before. But again, do not confuse that with a reversal. This is a good chart here. Daily, still very, very good. Just consolidating between the 414 and the 272. I typically like that, and that's pretty much what we've been seeing here. Just kind of playing down the BBWP as it did get all the way up to about 98.5 percentile right there. So, consolidation is to be expected after that. Now, here's the thing. I should offer up an invalidation point right here. If this thing, and it's not there, this would be the big one I'd want to be aware of. That would make me not bullish on this one. But if you start to close 4-hour deals below about 180 or so, yeah, below about 180 or so, then I would look for a nice corrective phase down to about 140 to 145. But for right now, this one still acts very, very well here. Let's see what it looks like from oscillator perspective. See, what do we have? Algo hourly will be popping back up with any sort of closure above 222. 4-hour will be popping up with any sort of closure above 212. That's good. Daily will be popping up with any sort of closure above 238. So it is a little bit in limbo here, and 12-hour will be kind of split in the middle at 211. So here's what I'd say. If you do get a breakout above about 240, any sort of a 4-hour closure above there would do it for me. I would look for extension towards, in this case, probably going to be something like this, short term, towards about almost $3, around 290 to 295 or so. Long term, actually that'd be right in line with the 1618 as well. That's really, 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 really good. So I'd be looking for a bit of a pullback from that region, consolidate for a while, and then maybe like long term, months down the road, it could might see some kind of crazy targets. I won't really talk about that for now, but the setup is there, and the invalidation point, most importantly, is again below about 180 or so. Hopefully that was helpful, and there you go for Algorand. Nice one.